Welcome back to the Aviator Zone, guys. Today I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you should be using an electronic logbook. Reason number 1 is because electronic logbooks are a lot more accurate and you usually keep them up to date. There's no more going back and adding up your times and then transferring over to the next page. You simply just put it in and the computer automatically does all the addition for you and keeps you current. Reason number 2 has to do a lot with reason number 1. Since everything is done by the computer and you don't have to do the addition, your logbook is a lot neater and accurate. No going back and erasing or having to put whiteout on your logbook, and which looks all nasty. Now your logbook is really neat and there's no errors because all the math is done by a computer. Reason number 3 is that your electronic logbook will be a lot more secure because it's now stored in a cloud most of the time, or you can make multiple copies and store them on your computer, in a hard drive, external hard drives, wherever you want to store them, make multiple copies, and it's very easy instead of going and actually photocopying or scanning your old logbook, which takes a lot of time and at the end of the day cannot be easily reused. Versus an electronic logbook, you can just import it and export it to another system. Reason number 4 to having an electronic logbook is that your applications or 8710s that you're doing are a lot easier to produce because all you have to do is literally click and request what type of report that you want. It'll print it out for you and immediately you have all the times and summaries that you need. Especially when you're doing long applications, like I believe airlineapps.com that requires specific times in each aircraft. All those reports are easily generated using an electronic logbook. Reason number 5 is that the logbook is always with you. And what does that mean at the end of the day? Well, if you go flying, you can immediately put that flight into the logbook and it's gonna help keeping your logbook up to date as well. I really like that feature that as soon as I finish that flight, it's already in. I don't have to go back home and put it into my logbook, and by that time you forget. So that's one of my favorite features of an electronic logbook. If you guys are wondering which one I use Log10 Pro. I am not sponsored by Log10 Pro. I have a love-hate relationship with them. I think they have a really good product, but their customer support is not the best. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll see you guys on the next video.